Hey Jared, I've watched your video and found some interesting comparisons between your state of Pennsylvania and my state of New Jersey. I found that New Jersey must be KCRAP accredited, which I saw that there was no specific information that you had found being specific to that. And I'm glad you found this program, as I think it will be a great one to set you up for the licensure. Um, I also need 600 practicum hours as you do. PA requires 3,000 hours of postmasters hours, while New Jersey actually requires 4,500. There is a difference where I can do 1,500 hours that could be obtained through 30 additional semester credit hours in counseling. We have 3 years to complete the hours, as you have 2 years. We have the same exam, which is the National Counselor exam, and we also will be licensed as an LPC. New Jersey has a two-tiered system, which is you first have to, after you get your master's, you're a licensed associate counselor before you can become a licensed professional counselor. But in long run, we're both LPCs. I also enjoyed reading the additional examinations that you are required to take. And I was wondering, did it state why there is so many additional exams? And how long do you have to complete them all? The art therapy one is actually one that I'm very interested in because I love art, and I think that it would be beneficial to me as I want to still continue to work with children. Again, I really enjoyed your video, and I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you.